What's going on, guys? It's Markyfbaby, and today I'm gonna teach you how to slice a mango. Step 1, grab your Nerf gun. Step 2, cock your Nerf gun. Step 3, shoot your mango. Congratulations, you're an expert. I'm playing. All right, for real now. Step 1, we're gonna grab our knife and we're gonna peel the mango, right? Let's do it, guys. Yeah. Make sure when you're picking your mango that it has that sweet aroma, that nice sweet smell. You know when your mango is like really good, when it's like slimy when you cut it, you know? So I cut half of the mango. Now it's getting a little slippery. What we could do to prevent that from getting on our hands is to grab a paper towel. Grab a paper towel, fold that baby up, put that baby there. Ooh, problem solved. Good, you're an expert. Not an expert yet, but you're getting there. So let's proceed to cut the mango some more. That's it, just cut, you know, cut nice big pieces, nice big chunks of that skin off. Yeah, you're a freaking expert, look at you. You know, I like mangoes so much because I'm Filipino. I'm just kidding, you're racist. All right, cool, check this out. We got a nice, naked, peeled off all the skin mango. Awesome, check that out. I just wanna eat it right now. Scrumptious. All right, step 2, we're gonna find where the seed's at. And to find where the seed is at, it's you gotta find like the vertical side, the like top side of it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of like guesstimate here. We're gonna cut around the seed. We're gonna make 2 cuts. So with your big knife now, make 2 cuts. Be careful. Do not cut your hands at this part. There we go. There we go. One side done. Two sides done. Awesome. Put these babies aside. All right, here's the seed. What we're gonna do now, this is step 3, we're gonna cut around the seed. All we're gonna do is cut around the seed. Just get the... Don't want that to happen. Just cut around the seed, that's it. Cut around the seed. Don't cut yourself. Do not, absolutely, positively, do not cut yourself. If you cut yourself, you're wrong. All right, cool. What we could do with the seed is, you know, you could eat it. You could just, well, yeah, don't eat it. Don't eat the seed, eat the fruit around it. Duh, all right? Okay, I'm not about to do that right now. Okay, now we got our excess fruit from the seed, and all we're gonna do is cut that baby up. There you go, cut it out. It's nice and easy. Now it's just, now we have fruit to cut. Easy to cut, no more seeds, no more obstructions in the way. Check that out. Boom, boom. Get one big side, cut it like this, like so. We could cut it like this. I like cutting it in a vertical fashion, you know, get a little vertical shoots going, you know what I'm saying? And bam. Cool, you're an expert now. Congratulations. Yeah, there's some damn good mango. You know, I just taught you how to be a DILF. Congratulations.